Tamil Nadu Chief Minister E. Palaniswamy on Friday announced a gold loan waiver hours before the Election Commission is scheduled to announce the data for assembly polls in the state, which will bring a model code of conduct into place. The state government announced that gold loans against up to 6 sovereigns by cooperative banks to farmers and poor will be waived. The announcement comes hours before Election Commission released the poll dates for 4 states and 1 union territory, including Tamil Nadu, at 4:30 p.m. on Friday. Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also announced a hike in the wages of daily wage workers under the West Bengal Urban Development Scheme hours before the Election Commission announced poll dates for the state. After contracting for 2 quarters in a row, the Indian economy grew by 0.4% in the October-December quarter amid the coronavirus pandemic. The data from the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation released on Friday showed the gross domestic product had expanded by 3.3% in the corresponding period of 2019-20, according to the data released by the National Statistical Office. In its second advance estimates of the national accounts, the NSO has projected an 8% contraction in 2020-2021. In its first advance estimates released in the month of January, it had projected a contraction of 7.7% for the current fiscal as against a growth of 4% in 2019-20. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has questioned Election Commission decision to conduct assembly polls in 8 phases. The West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress Chief asked the Election Commission that if the Assam polls can be conducted in 3 phases and Tamil Nadu in 1, then why West Bengal polls were being bifurcated into 8 phases? She also alleged that the decision was taken to suit the convenience of the BJP. Mamata Banerjee also objected to Election Commission's decision to hold the polls in same districts in different phases. Dalit labor activist Nodip Kaur, who was arrested in January by the Haryana police under the charges of extortion and attempt to murder, was granted bail by the Punjab and Haryana High Court on Friday. Nodip Kaur's bail plea came up for hearing before the bench of Justice Avnesh Jingan. Apart from the bail plea, the High Court had also taken suo motu cognizance after it received an email regarding Nodip Kaur's alleged illegal confinement by the Haryana police. Britain's Prince Harry has said that he stepped back from his royal duties because the toxic British press had been destroying his mental health, adding that he had not walked away from the public service. Last week, Buckingham Palace announced that Queen Elizabeth's grandson and his American wife Meghan Markle had made a final split with the royal family and would not be returning as working members and would lose their patronages. Harry, who is 36-year-old, and Meghan Markle, who is 39-year-old, sent shockwaves through the monarchy in January 2020 when they announced their intention to step back from royal duties and embark on a new life across the Atlantic. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.